Guesty's Homepage is a smart and intuitive tool designed specifically for operation-level managers. This central hub displays your daily and weekly tasks, makes operations smoother, streamlined, and more efficient. Now let's see what you can do with it. The reservations widgets offer real-time data at your fingertips with proactive planning and precise resource allocation to prepare you for upcoming reservations. Here, you can monitor daily check-in and check-out details, which reflect the number after all check-ins and check-outs for each day, ensuring every arrival and departure process is smooth and hassle-free. Next, efficiently manage turnovers, which occur when a property has both check-outs and check-ins on the same day. With this tool, you can monitor the crucial time gap between maintenance and cleaning, so your property is always ready to welcome your next guests. Click Currently Staying for quick access and better management of ongoing stays, improving communication and boosting your service quality. Keep track of reservation statuses and cleaning updates with these real-time notifications. Plan strategically and spot the patterns with the weekly check-in and check-out trends for optimized occupancy. The Needs Attention section serves as your personalized alert system. It highlights critical issues such as failed guest payments or canceled reservations, allowing you to stay informed and respond quickly. You can tailor the display to show alerts from either the last 24 hours or the past 3 days, according to your preference. Additionally, for Guesty Locks Manager users, resolving lock issues is now more straightforward with direct access to detailed resources. Using Guesty's homepage, you have access to real-time data and advanced features, enhancing your efficiency and offering a convenient tool for your daily operations. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our help center. Thanks for watching.